Now I want to show you how to install Kali from the ISO file. The first step is the same, downloading the installation file. Here, the ISO file. Open the browser and simply Google the words Kali and download. The first website is the official site of Kali, so click on it. This is the download page of Kali, and these are the ISO files. You can use them to install Kali as a main host or as a virtual machine in any virtualization platform. There are 64-bit and 32-bit versions, and light versions, which are about 3 times smaller than the original one. And there are some other ISO files for different desktop environments, like KDE, LXDE, XFCE, etc. Now, Kali uses GNOME desktop environment by default. So if you're familiar with any other environment, you can download that ISO and use it as well. At the bottom of the Kali image files table, there are ready-to-use, well, almost ready-to-use Kali virtual machines. So if you do want to use Kali as a virtual machine, you can use them instead of installing ISO files from scratch. So I'd like to download and install the ISO file of the 64-bit light version of Kali. So I'll click the HTTP download link, and now Save File. And look at that, the download starts.